Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Polarsteps Travel app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Polarsteps Travel is a journey tracking app designed for travelers who want to automatically log and share their trips. The app uses GPS to record your travel route and creates a personalized digital travel journal with interactive maps, trip statistics, photos, and notes. It also allows you to share your adventures with friends and family in real time and even offers the option to turn your trips into printed travel books. With offline tracking and efficient battery usage, the app ensures your journeys are captured without constant manual effort. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users enjoy Polarsteps for its clean design, ease of use, and the fun way it transforms travel memories into interactive maps and beautiful journals. The ability to share trips live, organize past journeys, and order printed books adds extra value for those who love documenting their experiences. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some travelers feel it lacks advanced itinerary planning features, and offline navigation is limited compared to full-fledged map apps. A few users also mention occasional syncing issues when uploading photos in areas with poor connectivity. In summary, the Polarsteps Travel app may be worth using if you want a simple, visually appealing way to track, share, and relive your trips. However, if you need detailed offline maps, advanced planning tools, or full navigation support, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.